Hello lovelies, do you have rice and eggs at home? If yes, come with me, and even if you don't have, you need to get them because this very recipe is a must try for everyone. Welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Let's get it started. What I have here in my hand is what we call cabbage. It's already well washed. You can see this is half. It is remnants from the one I used. So I'm just going to dice it now. Yes, very easy, well washed and diced. Okay, that's what you're going to have. After that, I'm just going to pack everything and keep it aside for later use. The next thing to prep now are the onions I'll be using. You can slice them or you dice them. After that, you just need to pack them in a bowl and keep for later use. What I have on the table is, you can see, just an half of paprika. You can use a whole paprika. It depends on how much you want in your rice. I'm just going to dice it as well. Now let's move to cooking of the rice. I have my well-boiled water here and well-washed rice. So I'm just going to go ahead, add the rice into it. I added some salt and I covered it and allow it to cook. When the rice is 80% done, I opened it. I added meat stock, basil, and curry leaf. So I covered it and allow it to cook. You can see now the water is dried out. I'm going to keep the rice now aside. Now let's move on. In another pot, I added some olive oil. Feel free to use vegetable oil or coconut oil for this. And I have eggs there. I heat up the pot with the oil and I'm just going to fry this egg. I added a bit of salt, not too much, okay? And I'm going to add some black pepper into it. I'll use this opportunity to thank you so much to all you, my subscribers, my followers, newcomers. You're also welcome. Welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. Enjoy yourselves. So now the egg is ready. I'm going to take it out of the pot and I will get my kitchen towel. I'll just clean the pot and use it for the next one. Now I added some olive oil back into it and I added our diced onions. I have diced garlic there. I'm just going to fry this for about 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add the cabbage into it and stir fry everything together. After that, I'm just going to add this chili flakes into it. This is optional. You guys know that I love my food spicy. All right, now I added seasoning into it and I'm going to add curry as well. After that, I'm going to make sure that I add a bit of salt, not too much. Remember, we added salt to our rice already, so just a bit of salt. You can always adjust it later. So I give them a good mix and fry it together for about 5 minutes. After that, this is what you're going to have. So what I have in my hand now is soy sauce. Add some soy sauce into it, mix them together, and it's now time to add the rice. Wow, this rice is so flavorful. You remember how we prepared it? Try the system, you will love it. Now add it into it. After that, I'm going to add the fried egg into it as well. It's now time for them to become one. Take your time to do this. Mix them gently and stir fry together. This rice can be cooked with basmati rice, with normal long corn rice. Jasmine is also perfect for it. Mix them together. After 4 to 5 minutes, lovely, your food is ready. You need to try this. This is so simple. You can make this at home and you will have 5-star feelings. This is what you're going to have. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.